On Van New Zealand, Sotheby's International on the 102, we've found an absolute gem here. You'll see there's a big double garage workshop here, which most men or everyone could love. But in behind me, a beautiful one-level, sun-drenched two-bedroom townhouse. The combination's rare, it's easy care, it's walk-in, it's completely affordable. Buyer inquiry from $580,000 upwards. Call us real quick, but let's have a little wander through. You'll love this one. Well, how delightful was that? 47 Lancaster Street. Now, two big double bedrooms, outdoor living. Look, children or pets are going to be very safe here with good fencing, and of course easy care is the word. Now, it's close to a whole lot of benefits in our view. Naturally, supermarkets are a big part of that, but there's so many little areas of this location that you will love too. So call Michelle and myself as fast as you possibly can. We've set it early, buyer inquiry from $580,000 only. It will not last long. We'd love to see you here as quick as possible.